Hello everyone and welcome to this lecture on print media. Print media are traditional mass media published on paper. They are the oldest and the most widespread type of mass media because they do not require an elaborate technical infrastructure on the part of the user. But what really is the print media? Print media includes any types of communication that is printed on paper, such as newspapers, magazines, books, and brochures. Print media is often contrasted with digital media, which is distributed electronically through devices such as computers and smartphones. Newspapers are clearly associated with information and show an emphasis on political issues and current events. They are valued as a backbone of the democratic public sphere because they enable comprehensive public discourse. Newspapers typically include news stories, editorials, opinions, and letters to the editor. They may also include features such as book reviews, restaurant reviews, and entertainment reviews. News magazines also serve an information function. Whereas most other magazines are committed to entertainment and leisure, these magazines show a diverse spectrum ranging from lifestyles to special interest magazines. Lifestyle magazines may cover topics such as fashion, beauty, home decor, and travel. Special interest magazines may cover topics such as sports, music, hobbies, and current events. Books are long-form works of fiction or non-fiction that are published in a single volume. Books can be read for entertainment, education, or both. Brochures are short pamphlets that are used to promote a product or service. They typically include information about the product and service, as well as contact information for the business. Print media has a number of advantages over the digital media. Print media is portable and can be read anywhere without the need of an electronic device. It is accessible to people of all ages and income levels. It is generally considered to be more trustworthy than the digital media, as it is subject to more rigorous editing and fact-checking. However, print media also has some disadvantages. Print media can be less timely than digital media, as it takes time to produce and distribute print publications. It can be more expensive than digital media, especially for long-term publications such as books. It can be less sustainable than digital media, as it requires the use of paper and other resources. Despite the rise of digital media, print media continues to play an important role in the society. It provides information, entertainment, and opinion to a wide audience. It is also a valuable resource for education and research. In addition to the advantages and disadvantages I just explained, print media can also be more engaging and immersive than digital media. For example, many people find it more pleasurable to read a book than to read an article on screen. Print media can also be more memorable, as people are more likely to retain information that they have read in print than information they have read on screen. So how old is the print media? It actually dates back to the invention of the printing press in the 15th century. The first printed book was Gutenberg Bible, which was published in 1455. Prior to the invention of printing press, books were copied by hand, which was a slow and an expensive process. The printing press made it possible to produce mass books, which made them more affordable and accessible to a wider audience. Print media has had a profound impact on the society. It is a valuable source of information about current events, politics, business, and other topics of interest. It also provides entertainment such as through fiction, comics, and puzzles. It is a platform for people to express their opinions on a wide range of topics. It can play a role in holding governments and other powerful institutions accountable. It has also played a role in shaping popular culture. Print media is facing a number of challenges, including the rise of online media and the decline in advertising revenue. Online media is more convenient and accessible than print media, and it is also cheaper for advertisers to reach an audience online. As a result, many people are turning to online media for their news and entertainment. Despite the challenges, print media remains an important part of the media landscape. Print media provides in-depth reporting and analysis that is not always available online.